test for mercury. Mercury itakagi ujiga. Test for mercury is very risky. Lazima ukae rada. Anything can happen. Now, we have different equipment here. Tuko na saa, we have what? We have to keep time. Now, we have equipment. We have fire extinguisher. Mercury itakagi ujiga. Anything can happen. We have big Bunsen burner. Mercury itakagi ujiga. And please keep distance. Keep distance. Anything can happen. Keep distance. We have computer. It requires high skilled personnel. Hapa ndipo tunaona experiment yetu. Hapa ndipo tunaona kila kitu. Now, we have different equipment. We have test tube. Test tube is very important. We have tester, we have bulb to test for copper. Now, we have litmus paper to test for lead. We have water. We have Phillips. We have glucose. We have milk. Finally, we have sugar. We are looking mercury in sugar. We have sugar. And we have torch. Hii tunamulika ndani kuona kama kuna mercury. Guys, Jehova. Unaangalia ndani. Now, we have jig. Guys, yes, we have it. Guys, Jehova. Now, and we have matchbox. Hii ni mzuri sana. Hii tunaasha nao Bunsen-burner. Now, there are two tests for mercury. There is test 1. Among your text. Unakuja, unachukua sukari, unaweka mkono, unakunywa. This is a manual test. Hii test, kama sukari iko na mercury, ukienda pale na joto, utasikia mercury ikipanda. Ukienda pale cold, inaenda chini. The way unaonanga ukiweka thermometer hapa, kama mercury kanapanda, kama temperature ziko down, inaenda chini. That test is risky. Kwa sababu already mercury itakuwa kwa mwili yako. Don't try this at home. Test 2. Now, we have matchbox. Lazima tuwashe Bunsen-burner. It must be non-luminous flame. It must be non-luminous flame. Now, we check our test tube. Put little water. Very little water. Put very little water. Put milk. Good. Jehovah. Good. Add tea leaves. Add tea leaves. Kidogo sana. Heat it. Heat it. Carry it. Anything can happen. Heat it. Heat it. Heat it. Heat it. Now look for color changes. Look for color changes. Now add sugar. Sukari ndio tunaangalia mercury. Lazima tuweke mingi kidogo. Angalia mercury. Lazima tuweke. Heat it. Carry it. Anything can happen. Heat it. Heat it. Heat it. Heat it. Heat it. Now add glucose to accelerate. Add glucose. Jehovah. Oh, guy. Guy. Add glucose. Komaka. Guy. Jehovah. Nyitenera. Komaka. Add glucose. Heat it. Carry it. Carry it. Carry it, my friend. Hit the mercury. Carry it. Hit it. Hit it. Now, test 1. Test for it. We look for it. Litmus paper. Blue litmus paper. Ikitana net kuna mercury. Tuangalie tuone. No changes. Lead not present. Now, hit again. Test for copper. As you know, copper is a good conductor. Hey baby kiwaka, copper present. Okay. Iwaki, inaendelea kana hii iwaki copper. Haionekani. No. Make sure there is no copper. Use resistor. Copper is a good conductor of electricity. Tunaangalia na hii. Kumekuwa kanyita kwa wapi ya gari. Hayuaki, copper, not present. Now, we are going to the next test. Yenye ni baya sana. Hii lazima inakaa gagari, inakaa rada. Boy, Jehova nitela, maga Jehova nitela. Huyu inakaa rada. Add sugar, add sugar. Okay, add sugar ito na goma. Add sugar like you have Satan in you. Add sugar like you have Satan. Add sugar like you have Satan. Hii tunaangalia mercury. Add sugar. Kiasi ito na goma. Yesu kaita tara iwa mtu mwega. Tota ina mtu mwega. Yesu kaita tota ina mtu mwega. Now hit it. Now na Canada. Anything can happen. Canada. Hili Mercury. Mercury itakayojiga. Canada. Anything can happen. On your marks. Get set. Anza kuhit. Macho ifunguke, unaangalia mbele kama torch. Ukishake, hit as you shake. Hapa anything can happen. Tunaangalia macho, hit as you see. Kama kuna color changes. Hit as you see. Kama kuna color changes. Ukikaa reading Mercury itakangi ujiga.